Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be trying a damage-free method for dyeing your hair, color depositing conditioner. I'm going to be using a shade from Overtone, and I'm gonna walk you guys through my curly hair routine as well. So get comfy, grab your snacks, light a candle, and let's get into the video.
Sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to.
So to kick things off, we're gonna be opening this package from Overtone Color. I've never used this brand before and I'm super excited to try them out. I got this sent to me as PR. And she's open. How exciting, guys. So the first thing we got is the Bleach Kit 30 Volume Hair Lighting System. Lifts up to 7 levels. Thank you. Next, we got color depositing masks. And this is what we're gonna be trying out today. I'm super excited for these masks. I got this one in Midnight Teal. Yo. This seal is giving me such a hard time. This shit is all over my fingers now. Not me already staining my hands with the unboxing. Bitch. Our next color is another type of blue because I love my hair a blue-black color. This is the Blue for Brown Hair Coloring Conditioner. They really seal these bad boys up good. Oh my God. I'm getting messy over here. This is what the Blue for Brown Hair looks like. Now I can't tell if I want to use the teal or the Blue for Brown Hair. This is the dark teal and this is the Blue for Brown Hair. I think we're gonna try Blue for Brown Hair just because I feel like it's gonna show up better. The package came with disposable gloves, so we're gonna put them on right now. This is how our hair is looking before the color conditioner, just to give you guys a reference. Very much so brown. We want to get it darker. I always feel like myself when I have my hair dark. I don't know. It makes me feel like the baddest bitch on earth. On earth.
Time will bring the real end about your brow. There'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. Then you won't remember me. Your face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot have forever. I'll always love you. I hope you feel the same. Oh, baby, dirty.
I just read the instructions and you're supposed to put this on dry hair. So I hope this shit works. Like what? Oh my God, my bad. And now it says to wait 10 to 15 minutes, so that's what I'm gonna do. All right, we're back. Now that we let the color seep in for a little bit, I'm about to rinse it out, style my hair, and see this brand new do, honey, okay? And it better look good. When they say color conditioner, they really mean conditioner because my hair is so soft and silky right now. Oh my God. If you expected this hair color to actually come out like blue, I have some tough news for you. Blue on dark hair almost always means black with a tint of blue. And that's okay because I love that shape. I love my hair that color. Love it. So now that our hair is washed, I'm going in with my Garnier Fructis mask for curls. And I'm just putting this in my whole hair. My curly hair routine is actually super simple. I just use whatever cream product I have, and then I go in with a gel of some sort. This is the Aunt Jackie's Curl Boss Coconut Curling Jelly. Now with the gel, I just take it and scrunch into my hair. Now we're gonna get into my hair drying routine, and for my hair drying routine, I don't use a diffuser, I just use a regular blow dryer and go around my hair to create a curl cast. And after I create a curl cast, I'm just gonna go in and fluff the rest of my hair with the blow dryer. I hope that makes sense. I start on the high setting on cool air and just go around my roots first to make sure everything is dry at the top. Now that our roots are dry, I'm gonna go around my whole head with the blow dryer, but I'm not gonna touch my hair at all. I'm going in with warm heat in the high setting. Now that our hair is about 60% dry, I'm still using the same method of not touching my hair with the blow dryer, but I'm going to go in on high heat. Now after we've been on high heat for a little bit, I'm gonna switch back to cool. All right, so now that my hair is about 95% dry, I'm gonna go in with my As I Am hair oil and take out my hair for more volume. Now finally, it's time to pick. Like, do we already see the volume difference? I love picking out my hair. When I was younger, I used to try to go for that really sleek, gelled down curl look. And now that I'm older, I really embrace volume and just my hair being big, and I really feel like that's so healing for me and like such an accomplishment, honestly, because I'm not like hiding my curls anymore. Like, I want them to be loud, I want them to be big. And this is how we're looking so far. Very freaking cute. Ugh. The journey me and my natural hair have been on is a very long one, and I'm finally at the point of loving my hair for what it is, and it's the best feeling ever, guys, for real. And I'm back to my blue-black hair color, and I just feel so refreshed, rejuvenated, and revived. I love my hair dark. And these are our final results, divas. If you stayed until the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments how your day is going. I hope everyone is having the most fantabulous day ever. And I'll see you baddies in the next one. Bye, divas.